Yeah. So I think I ran like a moth to fire every time I saw something that was,
I hear that.
first the only. I was like, yep, I'm ready to take that on because I felt like I had to speak up for
Yeah.
the only voices. And so what really bothered me actually was it was a medical device company, and we were making and developing products for the US that were life-saving products. And I had my family over in India and people in other parts of the world. And I was like, why would we not make products that were accessible to this part of the world?
That's right. Yeah.
And so I took it on as like a mission, quite frankly. And I think one of my VPs very early on in my career would call me a bulldog in a china shop. Those were his words. Because he's like, you're just gonna come in and be like, let's try this out. And he kind of gave this feedback to me with like a double-edged sword. Like, okay, good. Have that excitement, passion, and like intent, but also know when to strike because sometimes we're listening to you, we're constantly listening to you, but we might not be ready yet. So don't stop
Okay.
making noise. So he kind of gave me two-edged advice. And
Mm-hmm.
so I was like, okay, so I didn't stop making noise because we started making change. And so a lot of the changes were how do I pitch this business case for a part of the market that's absolutely underserved, but serves the market that is printing money, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so there was a business line that was very dear to this business because the president of this division, when he was a product manager, had launched this business. It's absurd, but sometimes, even in large Fortune 500s, they hold on to a product line just because they were the product manager.
Yeah.
It was making no money, but it was driving revenue, but not great margins. Like you looked at that, just if you look at that product line, it wasn't very